Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
I know it hurt. Niggas know I'm certified. You better calm it down with lil' bro. He like the murder guys. Like, nigga, what's the deal? All that trolling on the ground, made it get you killed. I done seen 100 off of strikers, probably seen a meal. My bitch say she wanna draw the strike, now she behind the wheel. Put her in the track, ain't Henry Ford sliding at the field. My bitch think she got some skills. Play with her, you gon' get killed. Boy, I do this shit for real. Outside in a minute. Boy, I need to go and strike. Auto theft trying to track. So we sliding through the night. Came through the front, he out the back. Shit, he tried to take flight. Was with his bitch on date night. We pulled up on him late night. Can't speak for them other niggas. All my niggas, we gon' tweak. Fuck a bitch. On my mama, I'm so fucking B.O.B. Chop was pushing in the blazer. I smacked up the SRT. Double back for a V. Then I smacked it to a tree. Took a strike from a nigga. I ain't had to use a ski. I pushed this bitch off. I don't have to use the key. Jumped in the whip.
The next day.
He came. That's Arlington. He got stayed at in Arlington.
See, look, they made bro take off all his tent.
Bro, that nigga say he pulled us over.
Alright, nigga, we in the murder. Murder with Texas shit, nigga. Shooting dice in the coop.
I see you, man. We out here, bro. We dealing with some bullshit today.
Nah, for real.
Free my nigga Doughboy.
Nah, for real. Free that boy Doughboy. Hey, I got like $30 pockets different ways. Hey, so this is vlog, bitch. Say what's under the vlog, bitch.
Free my nigga Dope Beezy, man.
Nah,
man,
for real.
Do nothing,
Nah,
man.
for real. Hey, 3-3.
Oh wow.
Nah, for real.
They can't free my nigga Dope Beezy, so fuck the APD, nigga.
Nah, for real. Fuck APD.
Let's do it right now.
Not like that. I want like a different type of bitch. I want it like dark bitch. In the nighttime, nigga.
Talking about like
Yo, big talk from the seats. Hey, he home.
it looks good too because the sun's like hitting.
Yo, the 3.
We still doing it, man. Fuck APD, free Doughboy, nigga, no cap, man.
This shit means something to me, man.
We doing it. We still recording on my nigga shit, man.
Nah, for real.
Like, comment, subscribe and shit, yeah.
Nigga, nah, for real. Like, comment, and subscribe. Nah, for real. Real Migo shit. That nigga in the cell think.
Hey, y'all got follow me on IG.
Nah, for real. Free Doughboy. No cap.
The next day.
Do the eats. Alright, y'all. We done got done eating. I'm gonna get up out this bitch. Niggas already been in jail for overnight. I don't wanna go back. Out there, y'all see we got the appreciate you. Look, y'all, we still got the Johnny. Oh, this bitch is gonna get me in trouble now.
Got him. We fucking got him.
Whoa, don't do that. Don't do that. No. It just means okay, bro. I'm gonna go on ahead, like, here in a little bit, y'all. I'm gonna go on ahead and give y'all like a whole story. But I'm gonna go home and take a nap first, take a shower, drop this nigga off. So I'll tap in with y'all once we get to or on the way to the party and C2's with us. I'll tap in with y'all then. All right. We done finally fucking got into the car with this nigga. That doesn't want to be, he don't want to be on the camera no more. But please stop throwing gang signs.
Those are not gang signs, those are peace signs.
And
Get it right, bro. When you put a circle behind this bitch,
bro,
it's
like,
a peace sign, bro.
y'all,
Cap.
this means okay. Just for the people that think, you know, fucking, I'm a blood member. I'm not a fucking blood member.
No.
It's already now. He's trying to get them, I know that.
Not gang affiliated.
Non-gang affiliated.
We just do car shit.
We just, We barely do car shit. Like, bro. But, shit, bro. I low-key want to just sit down and, like,
talk to y'all for a second.
Give y'all a whole idea of exactly what happened. So I'm gonna try to break it down as real quick as possible without saying too much. But basically, task force.
And RTPD, gang unit, pulled me over. And they have been looking at my account, my Instagram, my YouTube and shit. No front plate, no tint, no nothing. Well, yeah, they got me for the tint and then no front plate. And then on top of that, I had tickets that I didn't pay, so they got me for a warrant. So when they pulled me over, they didn't even read me my rights. They stripped this out the car. Like, y'all gonna see it on the video over there. They took this out the car, all three of us. We didn't do shit. We was just gonna do a music video. It was all types of shit, y'all. Bro, my experience was crazy for my birthday in jail, y'all not gonna lie. We made it out. That shit was fun. I don't think you extra bread or something for your birthday in that bitch. What do you mean? Like, did they give you some extra in that one? Hell no. I was eating that nasty ass shit, man. I ain't eat nothing, y'all, while I was in there, bro. I was dead ass fucking cold turkey, just water. Cause I didn't want to get none of the GMOs that don't make your dick get up. You know what I'm saying? So, I was just like in that bitch, y'all, and then after that, shit. I mean, I'll go more in depth later about what all went down when I was in there, but basically, when I got there, they had me in a holding cell. Then they told me that nobody was gonna bail me out that night, and then I was gonna see a judge in the morning, so they put me in a cell. And I was in that bitch overnight by myself with everything in there. Basically, you see the judge, yeah, I seen the judge, they let me sit my tickets out, I paid my tickets out, so that was a blessing. Now I don't got no tickets to but now they look like they're fucking me, bro. But I feel like they dead ass just pulled me over so they can get my fingerprints and shit. Like they just want to have just in case like you commit a bigger crime. Yeah, just in case I commit a bigger crime. Like, I ain't doing shit, y'all. Far from illegal. Matter of fact, C2 is too, bro. Like, we don't do shit but music and cars. So, just stereotype. It was kind of fucked up. Like, it was kind of fucked up. Like, bro, I'm a fucking Mexican. And all we doing is putting on our names in the city, bro. Like, we both work construction. Like, that shit's crazy, bro. Like, yeah, like, we know we get paid. Yeah, like, you know,
Yeah, like, you didn't have to say all that by pulling us over, bro. But basically, like, the officer was even mentioning, like, he's been watching my YouTube channel and my...
Still, who gonna stop me? Who?
Shit, I think like about 10, hold on, 15, violation, probation. Yep, boosting his ass.
Hey, man, you tap in there on the who, nigga?
Hey, man, we ain't hurting. Hey, pandemic, what, nigga?
Pandemic, boy.
And we in risk off in Buckhead.
In Buckhead.
That was too easy. You heard me sit there in Buckhead. Hey, the idiot. Stop the rolling, stop what? Not the cops.
Debo caught a body. I ain't say nothing. Then he on the run. Then I got the gun. Who got the gun? I got the gun.
Hey, run that back.
Then he on the run. Then I got the gun. Who got the gun? I got the gun.
Well, we got a badge. He's fucked.
Instagram, and like he's a gang unit officer, and all fucking 7, 8 of the other police officers were task force, which is task force is like those, I don't know what they basically do, but whatever they do, bro.
Whatever they do,
I don't want no part, bro. So this is my waving the white flag. Y'all niggas leave me alone. The fuck, I'm not finna
hey, you gotta
shit else.
edit a white flag.
Yeah, Chris, edit the white flag, bro. Put the white, yeah, but we done pulled up to the fucking Parks Mall.
Yeah, get my fucking shirt size right, gang. I ain't gonna cap.
Bitch, no, you didn't get your shirt size right. You been thinking you a small. Hey, Chris, put in one of those clips with this nigga with a small t-shirt on.
Man.
Bro, you be thinking you a smaller shirt than what
gang,
you is, bro.
It's not even that, gang. Like, bro, like, damn, gang.
It's because
like,
you've gained weight, bro.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like,
What size were you when you first?
L.
Huh?
L.
You a damn lie.
L.
You. Oh shit, large?
Yeah.
Yeah, you good. You a good 2X now.
I'm a good 2X, bro.
Yeah, get your size,
I'm
bro.
go
Make
get
it look
that
better,
2X
bro.
Right now, bro.
Yeah, yeah, but when we going to royalty, bro, you know that they don't ever have 2Xs, bro.
Bro, they better not have fucking took that.
Do you think they have 2Xs in there?
Shit, they better, nigga.
We finna bullshit for the video real quick. Nigga, you wanna hold this?
All right. The cameraman.
This is the cameraman. Nigga ain't never missed on one video. Fresh out of jail. Nigga, I'm not. I'll fucking yap about it tomorrow. Yeah, this shit is fucking crazy. Wait, we waiting on Marcos?
Shit, he can bring in the candles? Who bringing the candles?
You didn't bring no candles, huh?
No, I don't got no candles.
Nigga brought cake, no candles.
I got this. This could be as a candle. It's a pre-roll.
Fuck it, put the pre-rolls to candle, bro. I'm not smoking that
I ain't
shit,
gonna
bro.
lie, I'm gonna have to cheat that out.
Nigga Jax. Huh?
My mom got candles. Want me to get them?
Yeah, get some candles, twin.
Yeah, man, we out here, man. Gonna do this shit real quick. You fucking, you're cooked, bro. What you mean? Your drinks? Oh, yeah, you didn't know. My cash app's negative. You sent me some money, that shit dead. I'd been told you that. Yeah, I did.
Oh, then just decline the payment. It told me you had to make sure it went through anyways.
All right, bet.
Decline that.
That's why he was making it seem like you got Mike, this shit better be out. Hey, who's doing it? Bro, what the fuck? Damn, that's crazy.
Why you don't bring this nigga nowhere, man?
I got drunk and deep elements all over the place.
You were yelling at people?
Nah, hell no. Probably
He was yelling at people, bro. Yeah, he was yelling at people. Shit. We'll cut this on when Marco's here, bro. Fuck. All right, Jared's old ass finally pulled up.
There's a credit score
Mr.
right here.
Mr. Purple Jean himself. This nigga said, "Here go the credit score magnet." Did you hear this nigga, bro? This
No, I
nigga's
said
crazy.
the credit score master. Yeah, Twin. What you got going on, Twin? Hold on.
He got to show you the Purple Jean real quick. Is this how y'all like get in with each other?
Yeah, this is how we lock in.
Once one nigga gets Purple Jean, it kind of like rub off.
Alright. Nigga, I thought you said just pulling up this some cool shit, nigga. Not some this fucking OG.
He talking about the Kid Boys?
Hey, should I light that? Should I light the hoe up with the blunt?
Alright.
All right, bro. Just get him lighted in with the blunt. How the fuck did y'all find a 21?
Hey, tell them everybody come here.
Me.
We're finna see if it works.
Yeah, should we put it on the back of the 300? Put it on the back of my bowling on my 300.
Wait, hold on. Watch out, bitch. Don't drop that hoe, gang. Hey, you just dropped the knife, gang.
Yeah,
Who
I'm
got the plates?
not a damn person.
I'm gonna get like 3 plates, gang. I ain't gonna care.
Niggas want this cake so bad. Y'all see we got the striker mask there.
Bro, low key.
Grown ass man
I
dog.
put peanut butter on my shit one time.
Hey!
Why is your hair always wet? This nigga's always aura farming. Can we get that, bro? Every time we call him, this nigga's hair is wet. What type of shit he got going on? Jared got dreads now, by the way. This nigga can get his shit retwisted. That shit dreads.
Hey, let's get this all going, gang.
Yeah, because your girl wants some cake, don't you?
I'm trying to do this bitch.
Alright, let's light this bitch up, man.
He's finally actually trying to do it.
Hey, this shit's melted, you know. Fuck it, we gonna do this shit real quick. Do I hold that bitch or what do I do?
No. I don't know. The wind's about to blow it out again.
Are you gonna wrap this one or are you just gonna wrap? You gotta go on it.
We finna sing happy birthday.
In Spanish?
They gonna
Nigga gonna freestyle happy birthday.
Happy birthday freestyle. What the fuck I'm gonna do? Come on, happy birthday.
You gonna let them bitches
You ready?
Come
You gonna
on.
let them bitches burn out.
Already done.
Alright, bro, hold on. I'm gonna hold this bitch, bro. Nigga gonna get ready. You know what I'm saying? Look, they got my nigga Javi in the chat.
Y'all ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julian. Happy birthday to you.